Hi, if you feel like AI is coming at you at a million miles an hour, you're interested, you realize you've, been not really engaging in the way that is needed, and you want to get started, but you're overwhelmed and you don't know how to approach this. This is the perfect first video for you. All right. So the four essential skills you need to cover are prompt engineering, AI automation, AI agents, and vibe coding. So if you cover those skills in this year, 2025, you will be able to do a huge amount in the field of AI. All right, so let me close this and start. Okay, prompt engineering. So I'm sure you've heard about prompt engineering, and but it's pretty straightforward in a way. But it's basically learning how to talk to AI computers so they give you exactly what you're looking for. So, I have this document here and it'll be available. All you have to do is DM me, comment for, send me a message with your email, and I'll email this to you. So, what can it do? You know, well, people are using it quite often, and I'm sure you're familiar with it. You can write papers, you can ask it uh, to do certain tasks for you and so forth, like help you with social media posts, help you generate ideas for marketing campaigns, uh, do research. So that's the field of prompt engineering. Now, it can get way more complex than this, but we're not going to get into it right now. But what you do need to get is that learning how to prompt engineer gives you the ability, it's the foundational ability, foundation tool of being able to communicate effectively with various AI models in order for them to do what you desire for them to. So that covers language models, that covers image models, so prompt engineering. The next step is automation. So with automation, we start to get into the fun stuff because now you are speaking and programming the AI, connecting it to tools and getting it to do tasks for you. So simple repetitive tasks that you don't want to be doing all the time. After you use your prompt engineering skills, you can automate tasks by connecting the AI models to various tools. The next step of this is AI agents. So now, instead of just connecting these models to tools, you're now actually creating agents that are connected to the tools and can make decisions on how to use those tools. So you see, we're building on each on each understanding. Now, this is AI agents are becoming very popular right now. They're getting better and better. Before, it was very difficult to do stable AI agents. Now, where we're at, the agents are getting more stable. As a matter of fact, we're getting to the point where you can have multiple agents, or I shouldn't say getting to the point, we are at the point already where we have multiple agents speaking to each other and being able to carry out various tasks. So it's a beautiful thing that's happening with that right now. Last of all is what is called vibe coding. So we've got to the point where you don't need to know programming language, and you can actually create apps, create products, digital products by speaking to AI agents. And then those agents go ahead and code and develop what it is you're trying to create. These are very high level agents. It takes some time to develop agents that can actually code for you, but there are companies that have done that. So there are platforms now that you can use where you just speak to it in English or speak to it in your native tongue, and describe what you need to be done, and it actually does it for you. So vibe coding, of course, it's much more complex and there are much more layers to it than what I'm putting forth here. But vibe coding is the next skill, the final of the 4 skills. Now, you can do a lot just by being good at prompt engineering, especially if you understand prompt engineering and you can do automation. There's so much you can do. So if you don't allow yourself to be driven crazy with all these new tools coming at you and realize that there are 4 basic skills, right? 4 basic skills. The prompt engineering, the AI automation, the AI agents, the vibe coding. Focus on learning those one step at a time, and you will go far. All right, that's it for now. Like I said, this PDF is available for you. I'll send it right over to you. I have here, start here, prompt engineering, learn to talk to AI, then go to automation, make AI do the repetitive work. Then here, you actually create AI workers. And then finally, you build custom solutions. So I'll send this PDF off to you. Send me a message, like, comment. I'm going to be giving simple, bite-sized information like this to you so that you can have some direction and really get on with this AI thing. All right. Have a good day. Hope you enjoy. Hope this brings good value to you. Till next time.